Hello everyone, this is Vilp and welcome back to another video. I have been uploading a bit less during the past few weeks, and that is mainly because I'm quite busy at work, and also there hasn't been that much of new phones coming to the market. So that's the reason, and I try to make sure if there is an interesting device coming out, I will be covering it for you. So here we have the new Samsung Galaxy S21 Plus. As you can see, the box size has reduced significantly. It's much smaller, and that is because of the charging being removed from the box due to the trend started by Apple a few months back. This is the European version. It starts at 1,080 euros. It has 128 gigabytes of storage and 8 gigabytes of RAM. And this one that I have is the Phantom Silver color. Because this is the European version, so it comes with the Exynos chipset, Exynos 2100. So that means no Snapdragon here, and it would be good to see how these two compare with each other. But just like always in Europe, we don't get to have the Qualcomm version of this device, and that is only mainly available in US. Now let's go and open the box. Here we put the box aside, and we also put the phone aside for a while, and then we have a look at what comes inside the box. I don't think there will be much surprise, but let's see. So we have the SIM ejection tool, and then here we have some paperwork and also a USB Type-C cable. That is the only thing that comes with the phone. So only a charging cable and nothing else. And I think the removal of the charger is something that we are going to see more often, especially in the flagship lineup. So there might be a good thing about it, but it also could be a bad thing. Let's see, time will show us. Now let's go and have a look at the phone itself. So the frame is built from metal and back of the phone is from glass. Definitely it has a good look and feel. We have the power button and the volume rocker where we always have them on Samsung phones. And at the bottom we have the speaker, USB port and the SIM card slot. So no expandable storage anymore. And on the left side we have nothing. Let's have a look at the back of the phone. So this is where actually the new camera module design changes the look of the phone significantly, in my opinion, compared to before. This color looks very interesting and nice. It's not something that we haven't seen before, but I would say in this Samsung phone, it looks a bit more like a metal body other than glass. It feels very good and smooth. It's matte, but it still shows some fingerprint on it. It has some specific color depending on the reflection of the light and the angle you are looking at the phone. Definitely the whole phone looks very premium, and I really like this color. And then we have this new camera module. As you can see, the camera module has changed, and I think it has changed in a good way. The camera bump has significantly reduced compared to last year's lineup. It is, I would say, very small bump, and it has some kind of unique design that I haven't seen before. Overall, I think it's very beautiful. The size of the phone is large. It's not heavy, but it's not also light. It is an average size phone with an average weight to it compared to what kind of like flagship we get these days. I think most of the people will be happy with the design, color, and the build quality of the phone. Now let's go and put this up. I will fast forward this part, but in general, Samsung phones take longer to set up. And here we have it. In terms of software, it comes with the Android 11 and the One UI 3.1. For the battery, it comes with 4,800 milliampere. So it should be quite good and enough for most users. The display looks very good. It's bright, it's sharp. What you can actually expect from a Samsung flagship. It is 120 Hz, but it is not Quad HD. And I think most of the users don't mind it, but if you're into it, you can definitely see the difference. That is it for now. I hope you enjoyed this video. Make sure you like the video, and I will be doing some speed tests and maybe a camera comparison. So if you like my channel, consider subscribing to both. Support me and not missing the upcoming videos. Thanks for watching, and until the next one.